Did you know dolphins are one of the most amazing animals in the ocean? Let's discover the facts of the playful dolphin. Did you know dolphins are one of the smartest animals in the ocean? They can solve problems and even learn new tricks.
Dolphins also use special sound waves called echolocation. It helps them find fish and objects even in dark water.
Plus, dolphins can recognize each other by sound. Each dolphin has its own special whistle, just like a name. Here's something fun. Dolphins love living together. They swim in groups called pods, helping and playing with each other every day.
And dolphins have super smooth bodies. That smoothness helps them glide quickly and gracefully through the water. Want to see more? Subscribe, and thank you for watching, Quacklings!
Bye-bye, Quacklings! Quack, quack!